Good afternoon, everybody. We're here in Salmon, Idaho, doing a little baling today with the 2-tie TwinPak and the new double balers. Awesome unit. Puts them in a single file line. Very consistent. Eats like a beast. Right now I'm running 3.8, 3.9 miles an hour, doing 10, 11, 12 flakes of bale. I'm going to show you the screen here in just a second. Can't show you everything, but I'll give you a little sneak peek of what we've been working on. We are going to announce the Pro Series availability for this baler, sold exclusively through TwinPak. So you can get add-on kit, pressure adjustment, scale, stroke counter, field count, all that good stuff. But you can see just how well this is feeding into this baler. You can see the row it's dropping them in. Really nice unit. So I'm going to cover a part of the screen here, show you the rest so I can get the tractor so it drives straight. So you can see you got your bales across the top. You've got your 8-bale average weight. Control the pressure like I mentioned. Got your field count. Flake counts right there. Really cool stuff we're working on here. But this is a great baler. Really does a nice job. It runs smooth, sounds smooth. Did I mention the chute drops them in a straight line? It's one of the best things. I know it's a little thing. I've done the math with the bale bearing. You can make 2 passes a little faster or 1 pass a little slower. Yeah, it probably is close to the same. But I'll say this, one thing we don't account for is twice the distance traveled, tighter turns, tighter rows. Does somebody turn too sharp and hit the PTO? Do they run over a bale? Do they break an axle? I mean, those things are hard to quantify. And yeah, an experienced operator, it probably doesn't make much of a difference other than a little convenience. But I don't know, it's sure nice having them in one single row, not have to mess with it. Like I said, if I had another hand, I'd show you more of the screen, but I got to cover some of this up. Can't show you all the secrets. I'm just not very good at that. But what I am good at today is baling hay. Shoot, I was just getting started. Looked up at the field counter and said 600 bales. So I got a little more to go. Not a very big field, but this is a fun baler to operate. I love the header. This thing feeds like crazy. One of the coolest things about this header is if it was to plug up, which it doesn't, but if it was, you just keep your PTO running, you throttle down your tractor, and it's like a hammer. It just hammers the slug through, then you idle back up, away you go. So really nice feature. Really stout made. Way heavier than a single baler. But the funny thing is you really don't feel it when you get going. You know, it doesn't bounce your tractor around or anything. I think it's just about perfect. I'll get turned around here. This field's a little bit inconsistent as far as crop density, windrow density. These last two windrows I've done have been a little better, but when it's real light hay, all I do, and it's what the TwinPak guys say to do and works really well, you just idle down your tractor a little bit and increase your ground speed, and it fills that pre-compression chamber. You're just trying to make a full flake every time to fill both bales, and if you do that, I haven't had any issues. It's just a little bit of operator training on how to run the machine. But I made some 6, 7, and 8 flake bales over there, and they looked very good. Now, I like my bales 10 to 12 flakes, so that's what I run this. And I haven't had a lick of trouble. In fact, this baler just purrs like a kitten. 10 to 12 flakes a bale. Really like this baler. I'd really encourage you guys to talk to your dealers about it. Call the guys at TwinPak. Let them answer your questions. I'll help answer your questions. With a little bit of fine tuning to do, like anything, but nothing major. Just got all the settings set correctly, and it just goes and goes. Oh, there was one bale, 3 rows now. That was the first bale back there. I don't know if you can see it, but it landed on its side. Not a big deal. You can flip that with the bale bearing. So that's 1 out of, I don't know, probably 200 bales that we've done here. Shoe works really good. Really happy with it. Give those guys a call, but most of all, really excited to be working with these guys. Really excited to be offering a Pro Series scale kit for the TwinPak 2-tie double baler. And you'll be hearing more from us soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day out there.